If a cough keeps interrupting your day, the fastest way to find relief starts with small, smart changes. First, sip warm drinks like herbal tea or broth. This soothes irritation and helps thin mucus so you can breathe easier. Keep your environment moist by using a humidifier or placing a bowl of water near a heater, especially at night. Next, avoid irritants like cigarette smoke, strong scents, or dust. Open windows for fresh air or use an air purifier. For quick natural relief, a spoonful of honey can coat and calm your throat. Just remember, it's not for children under 1 year old. If your cough lasts more than 2 weeks, gets worse, or comes with fever, chest pain, or shortness of breath, see a doctor right away. Take these steps now, and you'll not only ease your cough, but protect your health in the long run.